In court, Tony Bennett's daughters claim brother took advantage of their father for financial gain in new lawsuit. Tony Bennett's daughters filed a new lawsuit in New York, claiming their brother abused his power of fiduciary duty and other improper and unlawful conduct, according to court documents obtained by Fox News Digital. Antonia and Johanna Bennett claim in the lawsuit that Danny exercised complete and unchecked control over Tony and his financial affairs prior to and following his death through multiple fiduciary and other roles of authority that Danny has abused and continues to abuse for his own significant financial gain. Danny served as Tony's personal and professional manager with power of attorney. In addition, he managed the Benedetto Arts Company and served as the trustee of the family trust. Danny executed lucrative commercial arrangements with and benefits for his own for-profit company, RPM Productions, the suit claimed. Danny continues to act in these frequently conflicted capacities, other than as Tony's agent and personal manager, which roles terminated as of Tony's death, including on information and belief, for his continued personal financial benefit. Antonia and Johanna alleged that Danny used his position of authority to enrich himself through self-interested and conflicted transactions, excessive and unearned commissions, and by making substantial loans and gifts to himself and his children. He allegedly diverted substantial assets to himself and his family prior to Tony's death, which diminished both Tony's assets and assets to the family trust, according to documents. By making substantial gifts and loans to himself and not in similar amounts, or at all, to other beneficiaries, Danny improperly used his fiduciary position for his own profit and personal benefit to the detriment of the other beneficiaries of the trust, the suit claimed. Danny allegedly orchestrated the sale of substantially all of Tony's name, image, and likeness rights, the royalty stream in Tony's music, and other assets and tangible personal property to Ignite Music Fund, earning millions in commissions from the transaction. The suit claimed he personally continues to profit from the transaction, which includes the sale of memorabilia. Representatives for Danny did not immediately respond to Fox News Digital's request for comment. Last summer, the sisters filed a lawsuit claiming Danny mishandled the New York State of Mind singer's assets. They claimed Danny did not properly account for all the proceeds from the sale of Tony's catalog to Iconoclast earlier in the year. It remains unclear what music assets and other property were or were not sold as part of the deal because Antonia and Johanna have not been provided with various details of the transaction despite repeated requests, the filing stated. The information Danny had provided to his sisters only raised more questions, they claimed. Although Danny and his counsel have provided piecemeal information and produced some documents to petitioner's counsel, the information provided raises more questions than answers and fails to provide anything close to an accounting of Tony's assets and financial affairs, court doc said. Tony died at the age of 96, according to a post shared on the singer's Instagram page on July 21, 2023. Tony left us today, but he was still singing the other day at his piano, and his last song was Because of You, his first number 1 H.